Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Winn and you are tuned into Cooking with Winn. Into this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make Liberian palm butter part 2. The difference from this palm butter and the previous palm butter I have on my channel is onions. So I'm not going to be using onions into this palm butter, and I'm going to be adding melegueta pepper. That's the only difference, alright? So you can make that one or you can make this one. But for my palm butter today, I'm going to be using fresh microfish, dry boni, dry turkey, dry shrimp, cow skin, chicken feet, and goat meat. You can use whatever fish or meat you prefer. And this is my palm butter. I have 3 cans I will be cooking today. And for my seasoning, I'll be using salt, adobo or purple seasoning, 1 feta cube, and chicken flavor bouillon. And over here is my palm butter leaves. I'll be adding it to my palm butter. And I'm also going to be adding my melegueta pepper, also known as country spot or black pepper in Liberia. So guys, these are the ingredients I'll be using for my palm butter today. If you want to learn how to make this meal, stay tuned and keep watching. Once you have your meat all cleaned up, you can go ahead and season your meat. So remember, we're not going to be using onions today. I'll be adding my 1 feta cube. I'll be adding in my chicken flavor bouillon, adobo or purple seasoning, and I'll be adding in some salt. Once you have your seasoning in here, you can just go ahead and add water to your pot. So I have about 7 cups of water. So once you have your water in here, cover your pot and take it to the stove. Cook it for about 30 minutes, and then halfway into the cooking process, you're gonna take out your fish and your chicken feet because you don't want them to overcook. So I have my pot on the stove. Once my meat is ready, or once the 30 minutes is up, I'll be showing you guys the next step, okay? I will take out my chicken feet, my fish, and my turkey from the pot now. I'm gonna set this aside and then I'll add it to the pot later on when I add in my palm butter. So in here I have my goat meat, my dry shrimp, my dry boni, and my cow skin in here. I still need them to cook longer because I want them to be soft. So I'm gonna just let them continue cooking and I will move over to prepping my palm butter. You wanna get a big pan and enter your palm butter in here. I have 3 cans. I'll be using all 3 today. You just want to open it. And pour it into the pan. So once you have your palm butter in the pan, pour hot water in to the pan on your palm butter. And you're gonna need another bowl or another big pan and a strainer to strain your palm butter or to sifter your palm butter. And once you add the water, you just want to use a spoon and just mix your palm butter in the water. So the thing about the palm butter, sometimes it has sand in it. Like, you want to wash your palm butter 2 to 3 times to get rid of the sand. If you don't wash your palm butter 2 or 3 times, or if you don't wash your palm butter more than 1 time, you might have sand in your palm butter. So I mean, it's not guaranteed that you're not gonna have sand in it after washing it 3 times, but at least you're gonna get rid of most of it. You get the sand in the bottom of the pan. That's little rocks. Once you add your hot water and you mix it in and it's all liquidy, you can go ahead and sift it into the other pan. Oh, for this part, you're gonna need someone to help you because you need someone to hold on to the strainer so you can be able to pour the palm butter into the strainer. If you don't have anyone at home to help you, you can just set your strainer. If it can sit over the pan, just set your strainer and then pour your liquid into the pan like this. It's better if someone else is helping you. So just pour Try not to empty all the palm butter, okay? So I'm not gonna be adding this into the strainer because you see the sand that's in the bottom here. So you don't want to empty them in the palm butter. So get rid of this one, just waste it. So I went ahead and washed my pan and my strainer. So I'm gonna be screening it back into this pan. So you just want to do this like 2 to 3 times, or you can do it 4 times. So I'm gonna be screening my palm butter or sifting my palm butter into this pot. So just sift it into the pot you're gonna be cooking your palm butter in. So this is gonna be my 4th time sifting it, okay? So same thing you did. Pour it into the strainer. And you can also rock your pan slowly back and forth. And get rid of this one. You just want to shake this. Alright, so once you have your palm butter all sifted into the pot, you can go ahead and season it, or I'll add in some adobo. And I'll be adding chicken flavor bouillon. And I have 4 palm butter leaves. I'll just drop it into my pot. I have my blended habanero pepper here. I will just be adding it to the pot. I like my palm butter with a lot of pepper because, you know, it tastes better that way. I'll toast my melegueta pepper or my black pepper, and I'll blend that and add it to this. So this is it. It's all blended, so I'll just go ahead and add it to my palm butter. So I have this much. I'll just put it in my pot. So you want to cook this for 45 minutes to 1 hour, or until the water reduces and your soup is a little thick. So right now you have everything in there. Just let it cook, and halfway, or when your soup is almost ready, then I'll be adding my fish and my chicken feet along with my dry turkey. But for now, just let this cook, okay? I'm gonna be checking on my palm butter. You wanna check on your palm butter, taste it to see if you need to add more seasoning. If you don't need to add any more seasoning, just let it continue cooking. If you need seasoning, go ahead and adjust the seasoning according to your preference. I'll add a little more seasoning to mine. So I'm adding a little more chicken flavor bouillon, and like this much. So I'm gonna just let this continue cooking, and we're almost there, okay? If you're making your palm butter for fufu, or if you're gonna be swallowing it with fufu, you don't want your palm butter too thick. You wanna leave it a little watery, or you wanna leave a little water in there, okay? You don't want it too thick. Once you adjust your seasoning, just cover it and let it continue cooking, okay? Till the water reduces. So let's check on our palm butter. Ooh. It is getting thick. I'll be adding my chicken feet, my dry turkey, and my fish back into the pot. So this is my palm butter in here. I tasted it, and the seasoning is just right. I don't need to add any more seasoning. And I have my meat, my fish, everything in here. See, it's getting thick. It's not there yet, but it's almost there. So I will just cover this and let it continue cooking. Alright, so guys, I'll be checking on the palm butter. So once you see that, once you stir your soup and you see it sticking in the bottom, or your meat and fish are sticking in the bottom, you can lower your heat. The soup is almost there. I still need it to get thick a little more. We are almost there, people. So you can either uncover your soup and let it cook for the remaining time, or you can cover it. I'm gonna cover mine because I don't want it spilling everywhere on my stove, because I ain't trying to take all day to clean up. I'm gonna make place messy, okay? So I'm gonna just let that cook for a few more minutes, and once it's ready, I'll show you guys the final part, okay? So guys, this is my pan butter. I have it plated with rice. This is the final stage. This is it, guys. So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, like and share with your friends and family, and leave me a comment if you have any question or concern. I appreciate you guys for staying tuned to the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.